Hello, fabulous foodies. Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. Today we bring a delicious recipe of Chatpatay Dahi Baray. So let's start first with the ingredients. Ingredients for dried mango sauce. 1/3 cup of dried mango powder. 1 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds roasted and crushed. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half teaspoon of black salt. Salt 1/4 teaspoon or as desired. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon or as desired. 1 to 2 pinch of food color. Water 1 cup or as desired. Ingredients for green chili sauce. Half cup mint leaves. Half cup fresh coriander. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. 3 to 4 green chilies. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Salt half teaspoon or as desired. Water 2 tablespoon or as desired. Ingredients for lentil dumplings. 1.5 cup of yellow lentil, soaked for 30 minutes. Water 1/4 cup or as required. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon or as desired. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds roasted and crushed. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Salt 1 teaspoon or as desired. 2 to 3 tablespoons of green chili sauce, which we will prepare. Cooking oil as required. Lukewarm water as required. Ingredients for assembling of Dahi Baray. Whisked yogurt as required. Chopped tomato as required. Chopped onion as required. Chopped fresh coriander as required. Crushed red chili as desired. Papri as required. Nimco save as required. Dried mango sauce which we will prepare. Green chili sauce which we will prepare. Lentil dumplings which we will prepare. Recipe. First we prepare dried mango sauce. Add sugar, dried mango powder, fennel seeds, chaat masala, salt, cumin seeds, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, black salt, red chili powder, food color, sugar, and water in a wok. Stir it all together and bring it to a boil. Cook on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now dried mango sauce is ready and set aside. Now, we prepare green chili sauce in a spice mixer. Add mint leaves, fresh coriander, garlic, green chilies, lemon juice, salt, and water. Blend well and set aside. Now, we prepare lentil dumplings in a blender jar. Add yellow lentil and water and blend well until smooth. Take out it in a bowl. Add red chili powder, cumin seeds, black pepper powder, salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons prepared green chili sauce, and mix continuously for 4 to 5 minutes. In a wok, heat cooking oil and fry dumplings on medium flame until golden brown. In a bowl, add lukewarm water and lentil dumplings and let them soak for 30 to 40 minutes, then take them out, press, and squeeze excess water. At last, on a serving dish, add dumplings, yogurt, onion, fresh coriander, dried mango sauce, green chili sauce, yogurt, tomato, papri, nimco save, fresh coriander, crushed red chili, and serve to your loved ones in any event. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, and share them.